Hi TikTok, kamusta kayo? Siguro naman nakikita niyo ako dito sa TikTok. Nagpo-post ako ng contents, fitness, minsan motivation, yung mga physique progress ko. Wala lang, naging hobby ko lang siya mag-post kasi napakarami kong pastime dati. But almost 5 years na ako nagbobuhat until this day. And I never feel this kind of passion when it comes to fitness. Ni minsan hindi pumasok sa isip ko na ay mag-gym lang ako just to impress other people. Para sa akin, it's always a self-rewarding kumbaga. Isipin niyo yun, yung dating ginagawa ko pastime, naging lifestyle ko na. That's why I decided na starting today, I want to take it to the next level. I want to be a aspiring athlete. Gusto kong maging fitness athlete. Gusto kong i-level up yung sarili ko, yung mindset ko, yung performance ko. You know, I just want to be better in all aspect. Pero syempre, dapat magsimula muna yun sa sarili ko. So habang ginagawa ko yun, do-document ko yung every single day na mangyayari, yung process na gagawin ko every single day. Pero syempre, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo yung progress na makukuha natin in this journey. And ayun, if you're watching this, follower ka man o hindi, maybe this is your sign to start something for yourself too. Hindi naman kailangan palagi perfect. Hindi kailangan biglaan. You know, we're all just trying to be better in our own ways. So habang tinatry kong i-level up yung sarili ko, sama ka na rin.